Nupi Langi Thudokpagi Mama Oibi Singna Miyam Gidamak Aranba Thousil gi Maiyokta Lepkhiba Apunbagi Thouna Phudokpagi Khudam Amani Haina Manipur Lenga ki Chief Secretary Dr. Goel na Phongdokre Wafam Masing asi State Lenga Sinduna GP Women College ki Central Hall da State ki Thakta Pangthokkiba Nupi Lan Ningsing Thauramda Mahakna Phongdokkibani Thauram gi Saruk ama oina Nupi Lan Memorial Association na sanaba Nupi Lan gi drama amasu khudol tamki Manipur Lenga ki Maru Oiba official kaya yaungna pangthokkiba thauram aduda Chief Secretary Dr. Goel na makhatana phongdokkibada Asia da khwaidigi chawba nupi sing khaktagi oiba ima kaithel asina Manipur gi nupi singi Thouna amadi nupi singna lamdam asigi damakta lauriba mangjil thabagi khudam utlibani Nupi Lan gi thaudok asi icham chamba ama oina lawfam thokte masidi mama oibi singna miyam gi damak Aranba Thousil gi Maiyokta Lepkhiba Apunbagi Phudokpagi Mayak Laraba Khudam Amani Singthaningai Oiriba Nupi Lan gi Ningsing Thauram asida Laipak asigi President Draupadi Murmurna Saruk Yaramba adugidamak thagatpa phongdokli mahakna makhata na hai Laipak asigi national amasung state policy kayana lamdam asigi nupi oibi singbu mahai masing ningti na tamhanba amadi makoi gi senmitlon fagat handuna marek mahok thokpa punsi ama hingna na ba khotnaraga lakli state asigi tongan ba mafam mapanda nauna sagadoriba Women hostel sing asina nupi oibi singda sel changdana safagadaba mafam amada masa masagi thabak thoram sing pangthok kanduna maromdom lepchaba ngamna ba khotnari haina Dr. Goel na makhataki
Nupilal is not merely a historical event but an enduring symbol of the people's strength, women's leadership and collective resistance. Nupilal, also known as the Women's War, stands for two extraordinary chapters of resistance written by women of Manipur. Manipuri women are leading and inspiring change across every field, carrying forward the legacy of Nupilal. They stand as a role models for younger generations, proving that women today are both guardians of tradition and drivers of progress.